Hi, I'm Craig Pugh, the Director of Great British Woodwool Limited, and today we're going to give you an insight into how we make Great British Woodwool. We source all our timber locally, generally within a 30-mile radius, and most of our stuff comes from 15 miles down the road from Leighton Estate. It's felled as part of an ongoing thinning process, which enhances the biodiversity of the woodland and also allows the other trees to reach their full maturity. And most of the timber is felled by hand, which in turn has a lower impact on the environment and therefore a lower carbon footprint. Timber comes into us in 3-metre lengths. We get it straight down from Leighton, and the first process that it goes through is the debarker. So we use an original 1950s machine which does a tidy job. It strips the bark off, and that goes for landscaping, general gardening purposes, and then we're left with the debarked timber. So we've got the larch here, been through the machine, stripped it off really nicely, and now it's ready to go through the next process, which is cross-cutting. Once the timber's been debarked, we bring it into our cross-cut shed, where we've got a semi-automatic circular saw that's set at 500mm, which allows us to get the maximum size of the log on the Woodwool machine. And then they get loaded onto our crates, ready for the kiln. So this is our brand new purpose-built kiln for drying the timber. The timber comes into us freshly felled with a moisture content of at least 50%, and we need to get that down to around 15% for it to produce properly on our Woodwool machines and to give a nice dry end product. Once the timber's been dried, it's then ready for processing on our original 1950s reciprocating Woodwool machines. Drops onto a high-speed conveyor, which allows the heavies to drop into the pit below and just the clean woodwool to enter the dust extraction system. Here we've got an example of our 10-kilo bale. We also do 20-kilo bales. We can fit 16 20-kilo bales on a pallet or 24 10-kilo bales on a pallet. Here we've got an example of our grade 1 woodwool, which is roughly 0.35mm thick, and that gets used mainly for pottery packaging or sediment control. Our grade 2 is between 0.15 and 0.2mm thick, and that's used generally throughout the hamper market, general gift packaging. We produce grade 3, which is around 0.1mm thick, which is popular with taxidermists and sort of luxury giftware. And our grade 4, our finest grade at 0.05mm thick, again is really popular with taxidermists and also teddy bear stuffing. Well, I hope that's given you a good insight into how we produce what we believe to be the most sustainable, eco-friendly, 100% natural packaging solution that is Great British Woodwool.